Carrie, what do you have to say to the vlog today?
My car is fucking slow.
Your car's slow, that's true. What do you have to say? Anything?
I wish I was high.
Alright. Cool. Hardcore. One more time. Ready? Ready? Yeah. Shot of the year.
Yo, hardcore?
Anyway. What do you have to say to the vlog? Quick.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. What a fucking idiot. I can't. What are you ranting about right now?
Because, you know, before I dated Simon, I was a, you know, slim thick bitch, you know? The Dominican mommy, that it bitch, that every nigga wanted to holler at, right? I forgot to get a ginger ale. And this fat nigga that I always see, he's like, oh, how you doing? And I'm like, I'm okay. He's like, what's your name? I'm like, hey, nice
Nicole,
to
what's going on?
meet you.
How was your night?
And then he's like,
good?
You have a nice day. I'm like,
good.
Whatever.
That's alright.
I'm like, I have
chilling, you know, vlogging on Sim's camera. He only has like 10 seconds left of space now, which is pretty funny.
I finally made it to Sims like you.
But, yo, I actually hosted Sim's channel the other day. You saw it? You watched it? How fun was that? That was mad fun. I'm just gonna keep it. Am I in the frame?
Yeah, you're still in the frame.
Lit. But I have this little. So I like being on camera, to be honest.
I like how it switches.
I like how.
Yeah, it's really cool, right?
Sim was like, your camera shy.
You have anything to say?
Not really.
No?
Sim never has anything to say.
Alright, well, good night, everybody.
Good night, everybody. Goodbye.
I think we're, Ann, I think you have a confession to make about your car.
I do.
To the vlog. What happened?
I do. I am now on bags.
Oh, shit.
I am bagged.
Oh, fucking shit. Sim, watch your back. Let me get a shot of this tuck real quick. What the fuck?
They're winter wheels.
I mean, what the tuck? What the tuck? What?
Want to see the trunk set up?
Oh yeah, we should show that to the vlog, right? Whew. The whole tank, compressor. There you go. Plans for the trunk?
Wood floor, LEDs, and that's about it for now, I think.
You heard it here first, ladies and gentlemen. Anthony is on a fucking airlift. Dope as fuck. Hey, what is that?
Nothing.
What is that?
Nothing.
What is that?
Nothing.
What is that in your hand?
Nothing.
What is it, Sim?
Nothing.
Sim. Oh my god.
No, that's in the next vlog. Stop.
Oh man. Alright, well, good night, everybody.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And I'm filming the intro in the car because there's a guy right across that's kind of working on his car, and it's going to be really awkward for me to vlog in front of him, so I'm going to do my best. But we got some Subispeed headlights to install. Yep, I am really excited about this. No, I don't want this one. Good man, good man. Here are the boxes, and unfortunately I could not wait, so this isn't a proper unboxing. To get this in the box, they send you a condensation and water leak letter. Explains like why it condensates and shit like that. That's pretty ridiculous. So what I ended up doing is you could barely even tell, but I actually put a silicone seal around each crack in the headlight. Well, not crack, but like seal, seam, or whatever. So it is nice and watertight now. Knock on wood that it doesn't get condensation. Oh, that looks so sick. Look at the difference between the Subispeed and the stock. Now, I'm not saying I don't like the stock headlight.
Yeah, he is.
I fucking hate the stock headlight. Look at the gross amount of chrome this shit has. It's disgusting. But the Subispeed has the blacked out housing on the inside. All right, let's take off the bumper. Yeah, I'm good. Did you get your side off?
I don't want to pull on it too hard. That's the thing.
I got it. Can you just hold this one?
It's not my car. I need the bumper just cracking in half as I fucking pull.
All right, it's gonna be the bottom pieces that still plug in. So just put it on the ground. You see the connectors?
Yeah. You want to take it out from the car, from the bumper.
This bad boy in. Oh, I think this way. Oh yeah. From the outside. Woo! Damn! Look at the difference.
Sup, bitches?
What do you think?
That's, oh wow, one's done already.
Yep.
It's pretty cool, I guess.
It's pretty fire, right?
What is that? What's happening there?
They were good before.
Hey, buddy.
I got a new 2018 front bumper.
Oh wow.
Swapping it.
Sup, bitches? Nick's back on the channel. I know I'm your favorite new character in the vlog. I am a new character. This is character development. What is this? Episode 3 that I'm in. Maybe 4 if Sim publishes all the videos I took last night like an idiot.
I just fell.
King of selfie angle. What are we doing, Sim? What's happening
We
here?
are taking out the second headlight. You want to show them the Subispeed headlight on the right?
That's actually
passenger
left.
side.
Looks pretty fly. Have you started it yet and like tested it out?
No, not yet. I was gonna put both on because I have to do.
You should make sure this
quick
works
connect
before
harness. I have to do like a quick connect harness that'll connect to the fuse box. So I have to do that after both. Of them.
Wait, where does that connect? All the way over there?
Yeah.
Is that the wire's not long enough?
No, there's like a little adapter piece that comes with the kit.
Okay.
You'll see.
Let me give you guys some background to me. I don't know anything about cars. I just fucking have one. Sim is like my resource for everything. I'm like, what's a fuse box? Sim's like, it's over there. I'm like, it's over there. So, there's that.
Want to know how I learned everything?
How'd you learn everything?
Just picked up a wrench.
Yeah?
Just took shit apart, learned how they work, and then put it back together.
I'll be honest, the first thing I ever did was my catback install. I did it with my grandfather in my back. Sim, it was bad. It was bad. It took me like 3 hours.
Why?
Cause the fucking rust underneath my car is disgusting. Like it's a 2013, bought in 2012, and the previous owner did not do a damn thing to it, but left it parked outside. What'd you say?
Sounds about right.
Sounds about right. Look at that pretty little baby. Let's go look at my car for a minute. My headlights are coming soon. It's pretty lit. I don't know. Let me turn my headlights off before my battery dies. To be honest. Boom. Oh, there it goes. Wipe out. Gotta love these stop and shop part installs going on.
This should be a new series.
Yeah, episode.
Oh, Kerry wants to do his intake install tonight.
Tonight?
Yeah.
Tonight? And a lighter.
See if I could do this without dropping the headlight.
Well, that's what you got this little rubber mat for.
This main harness is so hard to take off.
Yeah.
There we go. Bye-bye, Chrome.
Did they come in one big box together?
Well, they came in one big box, but they came in like these two separate boxes.
2 boxes?
Uh-huh.
That's unnecessary.
See? And this is the little harness that they...
Oh, and the Laffy Taffy connects to the fuse box, right?
Uh-huh. Oh, that smells good. Oh,
What smells good,
he's
sir?
smoking cigarettes.
Yeah, my cigarette smells really
Yeah.
good.
Who's that?
What do we got? Is it Mario? No. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, there's a Z, though. There's a Z, though. That's new.
I like the
You like the banana?
that.
Oh, that works out.
Shit.
No.
Why? You know that?
Oh, no.
Do you know that man?
No.
No, it's Simon. You know
Nope.
him. Oh, I just called
But,
you Simon.
That's fucked up. But I'm eating my sour apple Laffy Taffy now.
I'm trying to open up the It's quite difficult.
This car looks so stupid without a bumper. It's like
I think it looks
derpy.
pretty cool.
It's derpy, bro. It's derpy.
I'm about to drive around with no bumper real quick.
You should no bumper, no hood. Take your doors off, your trunk. Weight reduction, bro.
Hella JDM.
Weight reduction. Cause race car. Yeah. Oh, right there. Oh, yeah. Please. Okay, so I wasn't recording, but Sim thinks he found the problem.
It's like because I smacked the light a little bit when you guys were in the car.
You did?
My little tap on the phone.
Well, I got the light to turn on. But, see, I told you, all you have to do is turn it on and off again.
Alright, the police are at the front entrance, Curry said, so no one did nothing dumb.
Laps at entrance. Well, that's okay, because those dumbasses are going downstairs now, so they'll just take all the attention from us. They're making mad noise on their way down. It's like, don't look at us, we're just putting headlights on.
Cars are slow.
Hit your hazards, because your turn signals won't work while the car's not on.
Yeah. The bottoms are flashing, right?
Yeah, they are.
Yeah. Okay. We're good.
Oh, so the headlights aren't turn signals at all?
No.
Oh.
These aren't the.
I'm sure if you send them to Epic Lights, they could do that, but like, whatever. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Who's that? Who we got? Who we got? Oh, we got Carrie and Angel. Oh, what the fuck happened to our car, bro? Yeah, we just put the headlights on like they weren't. We just missed it. But, yo, let me see. Do something crazy. Alright, get your ass over there, bro.
Alright, you want to help me reconnect the other side?
You want me to help you?
Or
I'm useless. Ant, help him.
Yes. Just make sure these clips don't scratch over here.
Oh, I can help you with that. I'll make sure this side doesn't do anything. Whoa, don't scratch the headlights, bro. We're not. Bumper goes down here, not up there. And make sure we're getting this live action right now.
I don't want to like force it with the headlight in.
Can we get stickers that say?
I'm doing a Stop and Shop livery on the side of my car. I don't care.
Good decals.
Carrie, I'm making Stop and Shop decals for us.
Dope by Stop and Shop.
I'm putting a Stop and Shop banner on my car, Carrie. I'm gonna do it. Someone's camera shy tonight? What the fuck? Stop! It was all up in the fucking lens yesterday. Oh, okay.
It all melted away.
Watch the side.
Yeah, I got it.
It's 5 years.
Update. Nick fucking killed it.
Oh yeah.
I just put that in, and I did this shit too. How did it do, Sam?
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
Very good.
What? What was that shit you were just talking, Gary? What was that shit you were just talking, Gary?
I don't have a tissue. If you need.
What's pretty good?
Leave it off. You're parking the driveway anyways. Yeah, fuck it.
Oh my god, man. Just look how much different that looks. The black housing, with the sea light on there. Did you get it with the car on? With the headlights on? Did you get it?
Only the derpy not working.
Okay, so let me show you what it looks like when it's actually
Full reveal. Ready, boys? Let's get some vape smoke in here. Smoke. Lights. Ooh! God damn. God damn.
I love the color off.
That's pretty sick.
Wait, press
How's the vape juice look?
Oh, that's
pretty sick.
It's just like how the.
For the sticker?
Hold on, let's see what else they have.
Damn, it looks so good.
The spy next door thing? Yeah.
There goes a sight from my soul.